Pun Fibro, kajung tip nam ta kubor laj kam, kiba laj hapo Shillong, district and station code, kabade hapo Shillong hi, kabade jongi post clerk, reception, com data entry operator, bat office beyond. Teki bakwa ban apply, sa page ya video hoduk kabakut nam ta kajung tip kiba kamanya habai de bat kani. Advertisement, interested applicant who are citizen of India are invited to babaro kabade citizen of India kila alaban late nam ta kane kade bik ka walk interview, kamut ba direct interview. Penbiang kikot keselak jong pi ki jinon kambaro nam takane te pihak sok andaladap sa sulit pihak tarik ke baki labu nam tak interview ra gi dokumen jong pi but self attested but ki original nam taki ni post. In the face of the district legal service authority is Khasil district for the post of office assistant clerk, receptionist, data entry operator and office peon. Tes kan mau ke bakwa ban apply tagane ki debit contractual mo purely contractual for a period of 1 year. Season kinsa extend bade ya kata post ko jong pi kin page bade ya ka jing performance ko jong pi. Ta kerteng jo post ngada batai lupa ki don lai tali de ka office assistant clerk kadon artali ki post khatsan hajar shibanai ka tulob ka receptionist data entry operator de koi ka post khatsan hajar ka tulob office peon ka de 10,000 tulob lai tali ki post kan mau office pion kadai class 10 pass bakwa apply selai ke kam dengan page jinon kam de mane office assistant clerk qualification kadai bende degree bachelor degree from any recognized institute with diploma in computer application de bende pe yaga diploma DCA in computer application un baka 6 month course ha computer pindon kan knowledge computer tip pe filale jinam tagane te filadon hi knowledge in computer in software like Office, MS Excel extra. Te ka job profile ngam la batai than ke e ban ne jang office assistant athrai tangka degree ba qualification las kelabiang. Additional criteria basic word processing skill and ability to put it computers tater te ba ale jaka DCA thrai ngai nang hi ban operate ye ki computer ki jon kam de computer panda ban tai ban e boro. War kadega receptionist data entry operator kaner juhi bachelor degree from any recognized university with diploma in computer application te tangita artalihi dep ya degree lam ne BA BSc BCom gino ro tangwa de dep de ya DCA diploma in computer application te kini juhi last two bang receptionist pen shong me ka jaka greeting the clients answering greeting incoming call hab ngap napen tip hab e kini bro te kade kata kam jongki receptionist data entry operator. Additional criteria excellent verbal and written communication skill ki banang man kren ma ginang man tho ba data words and data processing abilities bon ma te banang man penan kami ki machine fax machine data xerox machine data te kin kham sajin de kamalai jongka office pion kanebre de bitang pass class 10 or equivalent from any recognized institution. Jangan don lai tali post, te ke kwa apply or pass class 10 tele ke don kam. Kan general work of MTS munshi or pion te cleaning the office, rakot, samkot, communicator kan baki pha namta ka kam pion. Ke general instruction bade kan mau pha namta kane wala ka direct interview ru te ke ge ba video banne. Pihak ban tit ya ka standard form markibun ki bakali kim tip te pihak tip na gi dukan serok no gi don baik ka standard form pendap ya kata submit lang rangkat bat ki dokumen baro pihak save as state mafi te kita pihak bu lupa pihak ra pihak ka te sngi ka por ba deban late nam tak interview te pihak siuru ya ka hispa san poding ka akan mau pihak siu shua ya ka hispa san poding ka shua ba pinlet ya ka direct interview kalau his pasan purika only to be paid by any of the following mode daka demand draft lane electronic transfer by way of IMPS NEFT RTGS the following account number ada by SBI Mekhila Secretariat Branch Shillong. Candidate shall enclose the receipt of the payment along with the application form. The yakine kan mau pihak lek siu shua shabang kin I form me shabang pan kawai ni gine ka demand draft ne ka electronic transfer ongan kwa ban siram takane tekin sa ai ka form ye phi po bang ndal siu pin sa yo ya ka receipt te ya ka tu ka receipt ya ban submit lang ha ka por ba philek ya ka interview Te katar interview gane interested candidates are to register themselves at the front office. Hakane kasngi maka de direct interview phya ra ek document ra ek receipt original jong phi phya le hakane office. District Legal Service Authority Shillong are to submit their application forms as per the following schedule. Karkum kitar ki bal ayam. Office Assistant Clerk kan de khatsau tarik jong ubanai. Khatsau tarik jong manai Agos naru shipo waru kharar. Ki por ban register shipo waru kharar baje ki balai shi baje mur ladu mi asho. Teka interview ru kan de bej khatsau tarik hi temakan sedang lai baje janmit. Siapa hadu lai baje register shua de kinsa sedang interview nadu lai baje teter khatsau tarik. Ki ba apply nta ka receptionist kom data entry operator kan de khat khandai tarik Agos te ka por kalong shipo ru kharar ka registration tekin sa shimik interview wade lai tarik lai baji janmen te phap ap hi ka tos ni te ki ba apply mta ka office pion kan dai arpho tarik jumna Agos ken sedang ka registration adu shipo adu kharar te ken sa khot bade ka interview ha ka lai baji te na kamta ka office assistant ba receptionist te ken sa pentip bade la ka don kata ka typing speed test te phaban pendep ya kataru lada kim pendek lada kim don kam tekin saong lada ki don kam ken sapenti ba katui ka shong ka jengbun ki candidate ki ba one ban apply. No application shall be entertained after a short time of registration. Kumbang lada pentip hi ba lada fislam mi ka por khat arbaje ngut ba kinom shimshu ban register phabon me hapo jong katu ka por ka badap ai. Person already in employment should bring NOC katu te gladis tu hi te dokumen borok ba video ban ra be klong degree certificate la pladap degree nam tai kasten febra ya kasten certificate marksheet kum tatar educational qualification certificate shield tribe address proof experience certificate extra for verification habra ka tosni de original rangkat pari xerox bla save attested. Applicant should furnish their email ID contact number for purpose of communication tatar. Tenam tak ki result bade kin sapentip be hapok official website jongka district and session judge Shillong for further detail regarding the following post kin sapen mi bihang tu ka website kadai shillong.dcud.gov.in hab check by hang tu hi nam tak ki result nam tak ki jing pentip ki bade bet kane ka post te tangine hi ki jing pentip te ki bakwa ban apply select komta siu shwa pendap shari form te sakan mau khatsau khat khandai ban arpho tarik phap lek nam ta ka interview ba submit ru e form ha ka tu ka sihi tang ke bala dep su ka phisa kila ban lek te tang ke ne ki jing pitip khle shubun